Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use Meta AI on Messenger. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Messenger app on my mobile phone, or if you don't have this Messenger app on your phone, you can open up the Messenger using your Facebook. You just need to go to your Facebook and then click on this Messenger icon, and then the Messenger will be automatically opened. But I'm just going to open up the Messenger app on my phone like this, and the Meta AI will automatically appear on your Messenger. If you haven't got this Meta AI on your Messenger, you just need to wait for it, because I think the Meta give us the AI gradually, so we need to wait for our turn. And make sure you have installed the latest version of the Messenger, so you will get this Meta AI. Okay, as you can see guys, I have got my Meta AI, and you can just click on the Meta AI right here to use the Meta AI. And basically you can ask anything to this AI. You can ask the AI to create an image for you, and then you will be able to ask the AI to tell you a joke or a story. Just ask anything to the AI. And for instance, I'm going to ask the AI to create a image for me, and I'm going to write the prompt right here. Generate image about beautiful, oops, sorry, forest with magical touch, like this. Okay, and then once you're ready to send the prompt, you just need to click on the send button like this, and the AI will generate an image according to your prompt. Okay, it's still loading guys. Okay, and this is the result. And if you want to save it, you just need to click on the download icon, and the image generated by the AI will be saved to your device. Okay, that's easy, right? Or you can use the available prompt. Usually the AI will provide you prompt, and you just need to use the prompt. You can also click on this option as well guys, like this, and this is the suggested prompt for you. You can use it like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Meta AI on Messenger. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!